23rd March 1940 was the day when All India Muslim League adopted Pakistan Resolution at Minar-e-Pakistan, Lahore. This resolution called for establishing an independent federation comprising provinces with Muslim majority located in northwestern and northeastern regions of British-controlled territories in India. The purpose of presenting this resolution was the longing of Muslims of India for independence and a separate homeland. This resolution determined a true goal for the Muslims that led to an accelerated pace of the freedom movement. It gave a new energy and courage to the Muslims who gathered around Muhammad Ali Jinnah for the struggle of freedom. The Lahore Resolution of 1940 is considered one of the most significant political movements in recent world history as it led to the creation of a separate homeland for the Muslims of the Indian subcontinent. This homeland was destined to survive and thrive despite being plagued with innumerable conspiracies and intrigues hatched in rapid succession by ill-wishing forces. Coming into existence 7 years after the resolution of March 23, 1940, is a wonder in itself. It was created in the wake of sharp ideological divides that were exacerbated by the prejudiced conduct of the Hindu leadership, whose sole aim was to subdue the Muslim population after India's independence from British colonial rule. Inspired by the sagacity and far-sightedness of Allama Muhammad Iqbal and founder of the nation Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Muslims of subcontinent soon realized that they would have risked becoming a permanent minority if India had remained undivided after independence. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was the first Muslim who declared Muslims and Hindus as two separate nations. Later on, Allama Muhammad Iqbal demanded a separate homeland for the Muslims of India in his famous Allahabad address in 1930. In 1933, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali shared the same idea of a separate homeland. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who was an idealist, believed in Hindu-Muslim unity. However, the growing Congress tyranny made him realize the urgency of the situation. On 22nd March 1940, the historic session of Muslim League began at Minto Park, Lahore, under the leadership of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He narrated the situation and events of past few months, mentioned the problems faced by Muslims, and declared that survival of Muslims and Hindus is not possible under a single leadership. He further suggested the idea of a separate state. Jinnah's address to the Lahore Conference, which finally adopted the March 23rd resolution, motivated multitudes of Muslims to launch a sustainable, unwavering movement of freedom. According to historical estimates, thousands of people took part in the conference at Minto Park near the Badshahi Mosque and Lahore Fort. In his 2-hour address, Jinnah narrated the events that had taken place in the past few months and concluded that Muslims are a nation according to any definition of nationhood. We wish our people to develop to the fullest spiritual, cultural, economic, social, and political life in a way that we think best and in consonance with our own ideals and according to the genius of our people. On 23rd March 1940, Fazlul Haq, the Chief Minister of Bengal, passed the resolution based on Muhammad Ali Jinnah's statement. This resolution soon became known as the Lahore Resolution. The Hindu press started ridiculing the resolution as Pakistan Resolution, but least did they know that it will become famous with the same name.